And at that time, I heard crying in the hallway, so I went out there and I asked him what was wrong, and so he kept saying he did it.
Sure.
So when I reviewed the cameras, and that's when I seen that Mr. Robinson had took Omega into the bathroom, and I seen his hand go like this.
May 25th, 2024. Watch how a routine school moment becomes a police case after a teacher strikes a student.
I'm good. You? This guy here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Where'd you get here from?
Somebody just dropped me off. That's all.
All right. I just want to talk to you real quick about like the whole school thing.
Yeah, because I need to talk about that because I'm confused.
Okay.
I am really confused about this. I am.
Okay. Well, I'll wait for my partner to come talk.
Ain't no problem.
Yeah.
This good enough right here?
Yeah, you're fine right there. That's fine.
All right. Yeah, I'm so confused, man. I've been doing that going on 26 plus years.
Yeah, they said that you were hired there in like 2013 or something like that.
No, what it was, I was hired in 98. See, it used to be Patterson County Head Start. Our club took over, then Luther took over. So I've been there like 26 years.
Okay. I'm gonna read you your rights just because, like I said, the school called DCF.
I'm going to jail.
Well, I didn't say you are or you aren't.
Oh.
I'm just saying I have some questions for you about the whole thing.
Okay.
Before I ask you any questions, I have to advise you of your rights.
Okay, all right.
All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. So you said you got a phone call today from them?
Yes.
And what exactly did they say?
They said there was an incident with today between him and another teacher.
Okay.
They said that the teacher disciplined him. They caught it on camera, but they couldn't really specify if he did or not. That's what they were telling me at first. But
Did they show you the video?
yes, and I'm trying to get access to it, but they won't give it to me.
Okay, I'll deal with that.
She's the director. I'm her supervisor.
Nice to meet you.
We've been dealing with this all day.
I was gonna say I saw it happen like 11 something a.m.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
When it happened, we took care of it immediately.
Okay. Did the police get called at that time or no?
No, what we do is internal. We call DCF. We've already called DCF. We've already called licensing.
Yeah, we do self-report.
Sure, yeah,
Yeah.
I figured as much.
Yeah.
He's been terminated.
Okay.
So, but what happened was he was having issues in his classroom. His teacher was initially bringing him to me.
Okay.
And Mr. Robinson Kate was standing in his doorway and told her, he kind of intercepted her bringing him to me.
Oh, so it's not his teacher, it was a different teacher.
Yeah, it was a different teacher. And when he did, he said he was going to talk. Well, he took him in the bathroom and brought him back out to his teacher. And at that time, I heard crying in the hallway, so I went out there and I asked him what was wrong, and he kept saying he did it. So I told the teacher, I said, let me bring him in my office, let me calm him down. And I sat down, had some calming music on.
Sure.
And let him, relax and breathe, and he ended up coming down. And so he kept saying he did it. Well, his teacher had already said, she was like, yeah, Mr. Robinson said that he would talk to him. So I was like, okay, let me go back and review the cameras because the baby keeps saying he did it.
Sure.
So when I reviewed the cameras, and that's when I seen that Mr. Robinson had took Omega into the bathroom, and I seen his hand go like this.
Can I see the video?
Yes, you can.
Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you?
Yeah, I understand.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
Yeah, I'll talk to you.
Okay. So what exactly happened yesterday?
Okay, what happened yesterday is, I'm confused because they called me in the office and they said, Mr. Robinson, the lady she was on the three-way phone, right? And she was the Head Start director. I'm sending you home for the day because you were seen whooping a child, Mason, in the bathroom.
Mason? Who's Mason?
This is what they told me.
Well, they're talking about...
They told me Mason. That's where I'm confused at. I went to the bathroom. Let me stand up. So the girl brought him down there. I went to the bathroom and I told him, you need to stop doing what you're doing. You need to stop. You so hard-headed. You come to school to act up and show out. You see the video?
I watched the video, yeah.
That's all I was doing. How come we can't go from Mason Coleman down to this Head Start director? Told me that. And then Philip Ashley Perez. Now y'all telling me it's a bagel. She see me every day. She don't know me. She just know me by it. They call me Uncle Pocket, so that's what she know me by.
Okay, yeah.
She
She said she
about
had
it.
no idea who you were.
She don't know me by my real name, Mr. Robinson. Now you're telling me.
So you're doesn't know you by your name?
Well, she just know when she
Are
come
they
in
like
there.
blood related or is this?
No. Yeah,
Okay, yeah,
they've
so
been
it's not-
together, married. Yeah, so.
Gotcha, okay.
And so I go from Mason, and so they had the door closed, right? So I was down like this. You need to stop doing what you're doing. You don't come to school to show out and blah blah this and that. That's all I was doing. That's all that was.
Okay. I'm gonna be straight up with you, right? I watched the video. That does not look like what happened, okay?
But the doors, they don't see me hitting nobody or doing nothing to
The video
nobody.
is pretty clear. Yeah, you swing back your arm and then you come forward.
No, I was doing this. But the door was going. Why?
The door's only it's a half door. It stops half.
But they didn't see me hitting him or nothing. But I don't understand how I go from Mason.
I don't know about that part of it. I know that after that incident in the bathroom, he left the classroom and he like was crying in the hallway and then
He
talked to
came
the
down the
director.
hall crying.
Correct. Yeah, I know.
Then
He was
we brought
acting
him
out.
down.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
okay. So you're saying you didn't hit him at all?
No, I didn't hit him at all.
So why would he say that he
I don't know, but I didn't hit him.
right? Because when they talked to you about it in the office, she said that you told her that you were given permission by mom to help him pull up his pants because he's diaper trained.
That was a totally different child.
Oh, okay.
That was Mason. Mama called me and told me just called the phone in the office and told me how he doing. Honestly, they told me it was Mason.
Okay.
That's what I don't understand.
Okay.
You know.
Well, listen, that's what they said. I watched the video. It seems to be consistent
But
with what
honestly,
they told me.
though, I didn't swing not now time down here. I was down like this. You need to stop doing what you doing, cause you ain't come to school to show out.
Okay. All right. So here's the deal, right? Just put your hands behind your back and turn around.
Could I call my son while I'm
In a
here?
second.
Cause I want to lock my door.
Turn around.
Okay.
We'll call your son.
Okay.
Here, face him. Turn that way. There you go. All right. So you are going to be placed under arrest. Okay.
Okay.
Just put your hands together like you're praying. Well, like palms together. There you go.
that?
Yeah. Perfect. They too tight or they good? Oh.
No, you can show 83 Bob.
Yeah.
83 Bob, right?
Yep, dude.
83 Bob, attention to.
I'm a different call sign every day, so. You good? A little tight? All right, hold on.
That's good. Leave it out.
You got anything in your pockets?
No, just my
Your wallet?
Yeah.
What's this over here?
Oh, that's the hell I need that.
Okay, yeah, you can bring that to me. You want to take your phone or you want to leave it in the house?
Well, I want to call him.
Okay, yeah, we can do that.
And, what's it called? That's Sanders.
Is he inside? Because I talked to him just before. His car's here still, so he should be here somewhere.
Blue car there?
His blue car's out there, yeah. I think so.
Dark blue one?
Yeah, the little Hyundai with the...
The Genesis
Yeah.
is out there now?
Should be. It was here like 2 minutes ago. Alright, I got your phone, I got your wallet and stuff. Let's go to my car real
I
quick.
can't take them.
They're not going to let you take those into jail, no.
What about with that Sanders?
Huh?
That Sanders that just dropped on the floor.
They won't let you take any of that stuff.
But just grab them and open the door and put it on the thing. I think I got another one in there. Do I need my wallet?
If you want it, if you don't want it, we can put it in the house for you. I would say take it with you because then you'll have a credit card and stuff when you get out. You can get a taxi home. Or you can, whatever, call your son to come get it. The door's open?
Yeah.
You said you have another extended in your pocket?
It should be. I had
You did too?
probably deep down in the other.
I don't see one, unless it's in a different pocket. In this pocket, maybe?
No, it probably fell out.
Let's make sure, just like that. Get on.
Yeah,
We aren't confused about. So why didn't you call me yesterday when I called you?
Because I was at work. I got a
You
job.
weren't at work?
You didn't give me a job.
What do you mean I can't be your job?
I said, no, I was on my job.
I called you at like 4 in the afternoon. Turn.
I can't answer my phone.
What job were you at?
I've been working UPS.
Oh, I thought you meant at the school.
No,
I didn't know you had 2 jobs.
I've been there 22 years.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll take all your stuff. All right, come on. So let me ask you this then. Your son just called you like a few minutes ago, right?
No, I came from that way.
No. Your son called you because I heard him talking to you on the phone.
Yeah.
He called you in front of me, right? And then he said that.
He asked me how long I'm gonna be.
Yeah,
I told him I was on the way.
No, you said you were at your girlfriend's house and you weren't coming home.
No, I didn't say that.
That's what he told me.
No, I told him I'd be there in a few minutes.
Okay. And so why didn't you call me back?
Well, you ain't need no number for me.
I called you like 5 times yesterday.
I
left you a message like
on my phone.
I left you a message like 10 minutes ago.
On my phone?
Yeah. Your number's 16.
I'll let my son know right now,
Okay.
please.
Is it open? How do I open it?
What?
Your son.
No, my son.
Yeah, you said you want me to call your son, right?
Yeah, he in that blue car.
Oh, he's in the car? Okay. Hold on.
Yeah.
I'll put the air on real quick, all right?
He was later charged with child abuse. Cases like this show how fast a school incident can become a criminal investigation. For more cases like this, hit subscribe.